8 most compelling reasons to visit Kerala for your next holiday. Blessed with abundant natural beauty, the gorgeous Indian state of Kerala tops among the most sought-after holiday destinations in the country. The lush green and thick plantations along with tranquil and pure beaches are the crown of the region, not to mention the pristine beauty of the backwaters with its peaceful environs and pretty houseboats graciously gliding on them. Kerala has been considered as a heaven for multiple art forms since ages. It is a rich amalgam of art, history and legacy. A connoisseur of fine art of dance, music and drama, Kerala is known for various performing arts with bewitching and applause-worthy dance forms of Moniyatam, Theyam, Kudiyattam etc. Tourists from the world over come to visit this enigmatic state for its theatre art based on Indian mythology's Kathakali. The loud and exaggerated makeup, attire and expressions showcasing the various emotions of passion, love, anger, sorrow, fear or valor is worth every bit of hype and time you spend watching this spellbinding performance. Chakyakoot, which is a comic satirical drama, is another theatre form worth mentioning. Apart from these, Kerala has always been known to respect visual art forms of painting as well, being the birthplace of many attractive arts like Kalampattu or Kerala mural paintings. Kerala's Kaladipayattu is an ancient warrior dance martial art form, whose origination dates earlier than other martial arts like karate etc. of Asian origin. Needless to say, it is a must to witness this agile and fatal art when on your Not just its landscape and natural beauty, Kerala is famous for its yummy and delectable cuisine as well. It is a tangy and spicy affair. Owing to the large spice plantations in the area, the traditional food of Kerala has adopted a very spicy and hot avatar. Though maybe too hot for the once habitual of the mild continental fare, tourists just cannot give up the temptation of tasting its aromatic and exceeding delicious food. What makes it so palatable is the fact that the traditional Kerala cuisine is made from locally grown and cultivated fresh vegetables, fruits and spices, giving them a flavor that's hard to resist. While the seafood here is truly to die for, the natural flavor of coconut and curry leaves used in most dishes gives Kerala food a distinct appeal. It titillates your taste buds, making you yearn for more and more. Wayanad, Vagaman, Attapadi, Erumeli, Siruvani and Vandipariya are the chief spots for spice plantations, a walk through which can really add a tangy twist to your. What makes Kerala so different than the rest? While mountains, beautiful beaches, waterfalls and scrumptious dishes can be found elsewhere too, there is no match to the wonderful weather that Kerala is blessed with. Situated adjacent to the equator, it is only rightly positioned to have a magical climate all the year round. Although summers can get a little unbearable due to humidity, it is still pleasant enough in the evenings and at nights when the cool breeze ruffles your hair. On the whole, Kerala registers an average temperature of 29 to the power of 0 C to 33 to the power of 0 C, making the place suitable for sightseeing in every season. However, winters and monsoons are especially remarkable with superb weather conditions for exploring God's own country. No wonder that Kerala has been selected by National Geographic Traveler as one of the top 13 most beautiful places in the world. Truly worthy from every angle to be awarded the sobriquet of a paradise, it is the proud owner of inimitable natural beauty, boasting of numerous enchanting lagoons, aesthetic clumps of palm and coconut trees dotting the region and relaxing verdure spread all around. The mystic and pleasant state is highly popular among travelers from all over the world owing to its unsullied natural charm, tranquility bestrewn in every direction and the rich art and cultural heritage. This has succeeded in making with your Kerala is well known for its tranquil backwaters, rather serenity sparkling on water, giving one an enthralling feeling of living on a houseboat, afloat on the water and surrounded by the enchanting greenery all around. It is something that everyone needs to experience once in their lifetime. Popular among tourists not only from India but many far-off lands as well, houseboats are quickly booked to experience this thrill in Alleppey and Kumarakom regions of Kerala, being the main highlight of any. Kerala is famed worldwide for its inherent knowledge and practice of the ancient Indian wisdom of Ayurveda. Recognized as the home to this holistic healing approach, Kerala offers its visitors a chance to relax and heal through its unique and completely natural and safe Ayurveda treatments comprising the use of herbs and oils. Won't be wrong to say it is a complete rejuvenation of mind and body. The many beach resorts and spas or centers dedicated to Ayurveda and its principles also promote well-being through holistic diets, massages, yoga and simple living techniques. There are also many well-known Ayurveda hospitals located in Kerala, including Kottakkal Arya Vidyashala, Kalari Kovikalam and Nagarjuna Ayurveda Hospital. Here people from across the globe come to get treated for various health concerns and leave healthy and thoroughly refreshed. Highly regarded for its pristine beaches blanketed with glistening sands in dual colors of white and gold, Kerala doesn't leave you disappointed when it comes to a beach vacation. In fact, with the dense woodlands and lush verdure, boasting of a variety of flora species, it is but an obvious fact that Kerala is fortunate enough to have copious wildlife as well. Kerala has multitudes of national parks, reserves and wildlife sanctuaries to protect the animals in their natural and wild habitat. These also let you watch those magnificent creatures in their natural surroundings and appreciate the diversity of life. Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary, Kumarakam Bird Sanctuary, Silent Valley, Iravikulam National Park and Periyar National Park are some of the most prominent establishments of the Kadra where you can get the opportunity to spot different wild animals. You can spot the majestic Bengal tiger, the Nilgiri tahr or Nilgiri ibex, leopard, mighty Asian elephant, giant squirrel, Indian grey hornbill, lion-tailed macaque, king cobra and so on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.